What's up, everyone? Check out this really nice non-expanding kink-free hose that I just picked up off Amazon. This thing works really well. It prevents any kinking, twists, or tangles of the hose line. This hose line is really nice. It's made out of a marine fabric material. It's almost like a fireman's hose. It has that cloth over it, so it really does a great job at preventing any kinking. This hose is super lightweight and is made out of lead-free material, so it's safe to use on your plants. I love how this hose is great in all different types of temperatures. Whether it's super cold or really warm, you know that this is going to work without getting frustrated with any tangling or knots in the hose. You can see just trying to tangle it up here, twisting and turning it around. It does not want to tangle at all. You can tell the water flow is still really solid on here, nice and strong. So if you really wanted to, you could hold it down to turn it off, but other than that, you are not going to tangle this hose up. This is really nice. This hose is 50 feet long, which is a great length for getting the plants all around your house. So if you're looking for a lightweight, hassle-free garden hose, I highly recommend picking up this non-expandable one today. It works great. Thanks for watching.